The airfield was much smaller. The jet struck a house, killing 11.
The lake. While its engine sputters, the pilot of the four-person aircraft struggles to maintain altitude. 50 yards from the shore, the airplane slams into the water.
We gotta go check it out. We gotta go see if there's if the guy's okay.
Hey, dude, you got a what? Life jacket? Yeah.
Need a life jacket?
Glenn Pugh for avweb.com. The FAA has confirmed that it is investigating the August 14, 2010 mid-air collision between a piloted biplane and a remote control model aircraft. The collision took place at an airport in Brighton, Colorado. The biplane reportedly suffered minor damage to a wing but landed safely. The remote-controlled aircraft was clearly worse for the wear. This sort of thing can evoke quick speculation. We'll reserve further comment until more information becomes available and the FAA completes its investigation.
It's nice and slow, isn't it? Let's see what. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Beautiful.
Acabei de falar pro cara, velho. Pane, velho. Você conseguiu filmar? Filmou, cara? Então, a hora que eu cheguei aqui, praticamente eu vi a colisão. Tem um rapaz saindo da cabine.
Was moments into the air show. A World War II Corsair was heading down the runway and clipped the wing of another plane, with horrifying results. The air show was suspended as fire crews put out the flames. Amazingly, the pilot, a 56-year-old Texan, survived the crash, but with severe burns and head injuries. The pilot of the plane he hit, also a Texan, escaped unhurt. A closer look shows how, as the plane cartwheels, the engine and propeller are thrown clear to the left. with the plane igniting into a fireball. Federal aviation officials are investigating the cause of the crash at what's become one of the world's biggest air shows. Tonight, the injured pilot is in a critical condition.
The student pilot of this Cessna, which was having engine trouble, hit a utility pole, barely missing a parking lot. His instructor was killed. The pilot was rescued.